morning vlog. It is like 6 in the morning. I'm sick, but we're going to the beach, so I'm gonna get dressed real quick. And here's cilantro. Cilantro. Also, ignore my voice for this entire video. Again, I'm sick, so. Okay, guys, we're outside. Look at my dog. Okay, guys, I'm in the car, and we're gonna go pick up Danielle so we can go already. Okay, guys, so I hit a cooler on the expressway, so we're gonna see the damage on my car. I think I got it, guys. We made it, and we got Whataburger, breakfast sandwiches, and then we're gonna go find a spot. Anyways, the water's like weird, not cold but cold at the same time because it's like 70 degrees outside. Those have to work. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you a little update on somebody who's putting on sunscreen. Okay guys, I'm gonna attempt a back handspring for the first time in like a year. So wish me luck.
I'm going. Now. I vlog. I'm gonna attempt to do a backboard. I haven't done that in 2 years.
So as you guys can see, we're very out of shape. She hasn't tumbled in 2 years and I haven't tumbled in over a year. So you know what? I'll take it. I'm gonna do a back handspring again because that was kind of fun. Should I try one? If you want to, girl. If you want to try it. Okay guys, for insurance purposes, we're gonna record Danielle trying to do a roundup by handspring.
Roundup.
So, as you can see, muscle memory, but the sand hurts. I need to go to like the trampoline park. We're gonna go back in the water, but it's cold. Surprisingly, the water is really pretty today. It's actually a really pretty day today. I'll show y'all our little beach setup. Her arms are already turning red, nobody tell her. Okay guys, this is our little beach setup. So we got my shoes and my bag, my drinks, towel, and sunglasses. And then?
I have my
Okay guys, we're gonna go in the water for a little bit. So we're gonna do a little time lapse. Oh look guys, the UV has reached 5. We were burning at like 3. So we're gonna be here maybe like an hour and a half more. What do you think?
What? I'm gonna see.
30.
I'm gonna start getting burned.
I'm gonna probably chill out here for like 20 minutes before I run out of storage. I'm gonna be out here a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna go back in the water. But I wanna show y'all what I made in the sands. Look at my bean, it's so cute. All right, I ran out of phone storage. Okay guys, we're gonna take you in the water with us after it took about 2 minutes to open the case. Oh crap. Okay. Uh-oh. I don't know, we'll see the footage when I read it back, or when I look at it. Okay guys, we're taking a break because we got salt water in our eyes. And my lashes are like dying. They are like trying to survive here. You know, strawberry break! Guess who got Starbucks?
Big bucks.
Look at the freaking... Anyways, this is what we look like now. I don't know what happened to my hair.
Look at my hair.
And this one's a little burnt. But you know what? It's fine. Did we tan?
No.
No, we did not.
Did we expect to?
No.
I think she did actually.
Anyways, we'll see y'all. We'll see y'all when we get our drinks, and then we're gonna get a car wash. Bye bye.
Our Starbucks orders. I got a tall iced chai latte and
I got a mocha frappuccino cookie something.
cookie crumble.
Yeah, something like that. It was a tongue twister to say. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back home now. I washed my car, dropped off Danielle, and I'm currently cleaning my room. But that's gonna be the end today because I'm tired. So bye bye.